Of capital market in India. So there are 5 points are explained in a textbook. First is mobilization. Um, Role of capital market. First is the mobilizes the long-term saving. So there is an increasing demand for the investment. Funds by industrial organizations. All the industrial organizations demand for the investment, and government also demand for the investment. But the availability of these financial resources are very insufficient because the demand for the investment is growing day by day, and available resources in that comparison very less. So capital market helps to mobilize this saving, a long-term saving from various section of population to the sales of securities. They sells the shares by issuing the shares, sells the shares, and this simple long-term investment becomes a big investment. So this mobilization of this long-term saving, and this mobilization provides us the equity capital. So capital market provides us this share capital to the entrepreneurs. So entrepreneur get the funding which could be used to purchase asset, and they can fund their business, fund their operation in a business. Business operation starts with the help of equity capitals provided by the capital market. So NSE and BSE is working in this case. So what is the operational efficiency? The capital market helps to achieve the operational efficiency by lowering the transaction cost. So transaction cost is lowered, and by lowering this, capital market helps to achieve this operational efficiency and simplifying the transaction procedure of purchasing and selling the shares, and lowering the settlements. So stock market sales of stock and purchase of stocks, that timing is also is definitely made efficient for the operation in the market. So this is the function of capital market, to provide the very smooth functioning and easy method and user friendly to all investors, the method. So then fourth one is the quick valuation. So capital market determines a fair and quick value of shares, of bonds, of debenture. All instruments value are determined by the capital market very easily, very quickly. And so capital market bring all the real and financial sectors together in form of equity, in form of bonds, debt instruments, government and private sector also coming together. So that is called as the integration is the fifth point as the role of capital market in India. So all sectors and funds are mobilized and integrated, and that function is of the capital market in India. So there are many many problems of the capital market in India. Financial scams are there, insider trading and price manipulation is also possible there, as well as inadequate debt instruments are utilized. So there are the risks. So this lack of informational efficiency also, the capital market is not working properly in many where. So those all problems are to be kept aside, and therefore in a capital market there are many reforms are made. So governments established in 1992 a statutory power over the security market, exchange market, stock market, and that institution is the SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India. That is the SEBI, and National Stock Exchange is also the leading stock exchange in India, which is established in 1992. Then computerized scheme-based training system is developed in India to modernize the capital market. Demat account is made very easy to operate by the simple investors, small investors, so they can use those demat account for only the sales and purchase of the shares. Okay, so these are all the system is developed, reform is done. So global funds also are invested into the Indian companies. It was permitted, through the American Depository Receipt, Global Depository Receipt, and Investor Education and Protection Fund is also developed to solve the problem of the capital market. So capital market is the backbone of our Indian economy. So this much is the part we have studied